Okay. See, this one's a lot lower down. Because it can be down lower for the plates, and then it looks like they got this one low too, and they'll probably put small plates in here, or small cups, or measuring glasses. I have no idea. I didn't adjust these. I'm just putting them back where I've seen them. Okay, that's all I'm doing. If you look at your shelves, if you got one shelf that has a slight bow to it, let's say, then you're going to want to put the bow facing up, right? So that it's going to settle down later. But I mean, these are nice and straight. This is that pre-finished melamine. We got $14.98 at the Home Depot. We've got 3 shelves. Those 2 and that top shelf. And see, those almost look exactly like this one. This was the existing one here, and see, it had a flat edge on it. So you always, the important thing is always try to measure existing conditions. And see, this is 3/4 of an inch thick. You want to measure that because ours are 3/4 of an inch thick, and they do, believe it or not, they have pre-finished ones at most hardware stores that are maybe 5/8 of an inch thick. They're a little bit thinner, and you don't want that for this, especially if you're matching existing conditions. Plus the 3/4 inch is a lot stronger and stouter than the 5/8. So you just have to look around. I looked in the hardware, the lumber area, and all the 8-foot lengths for shelving and stuff were all stacked there. You could go also over where the cabinetry is, and that's where you're going to see this shelving that costs way more. Don't get it over there. Get this stuff, cut it, and put it up and save big. Ready for the next customer.